right. We're in a Schindler motor room. Everything is Schindler branded here, which is interesting. These are Hollister Whitney machines, but they're branded as Schindler. Schindler branded motors, but I don't know if the motors themselves are Schindler either. Here's your Miconic controller.
See the indicator there. That one's not moving at the moment.
This one's sitting up at 9. It's a gay pride flag.
Cables are looking a little red.
Yeah. Interesting how it's mainly just cars 1 and 3 that are running right now. Miconic. And then this is Model O. From 98. This is from 1998. And unfortunately now, of course, none of them will be running, it seems. But here's a look around your motor room. 360-degree view. Got some relays on here. part does fold out, but it's looks like you need to unscrew it. I'm not going to do that. Anyway. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem these cars are going to be running. It's a shame. Let's see what Schindler says this machine's model, or yeah, this machine's type is. Yeah, we'll make our way out here in a second. This one should start up here in a second. There's your diversion shiv.
Sweden, right?
Swiss.
Yes.
And a Moth because it's the Denver area. We now got car 4 running.
Seems like they all run periodically.
Yeah, it does.
Power outage 3124. Must be a code.
Anyway. Apparently the dispatcher is in here as well. Anyway. I wonder if the dispatcher's behind there. Ah. Anyway, that will be